Hello children, how are you? Today we will do NCERT class 7 chapter 5 lines and angles. Angles, you know what are angles, and today we will do types of angles. In types of angles, first of all which we have are number 1 is complementary angles. Complementary angles means two angles which sum to 90 degree. They are called complementary angles. That means sum of two angles is 90 degree. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are complementary angles, and each of the angle is called complementary angle of the other angle. Like if we have suppose this angle, let it be ABC, and if it is 30 degree, and another angle which I have like PQR, let it be 50 degree, and if I add these two angles, that means angle ABC plus angle PQR, if I do, which is 30 degree plus 50 degree equal to it is 60 degree, then it is equal to 90 degree, then these two angles are complementary angles. And number 2 we have supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means if the sum of two angles is 180 degree. If we have two angles, here we will do sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, so that means if I have one angle, let this be XYZ, which is 50 degree, and another angle, let it be another name, we can write LMN, and this is 130 degree, then the sum of angle XYZ plus angle LMN equal to 50 plus 130 equal to 180 degree, then these two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, so this way you can find out complement of any angle. Suppose if they ask what is the complement of 40 degree, you subtract 90 minus 40, answer is 50 degree. Suppose we have two angles which are complementary and are equal in measure, then what will be the measure of each angle? So what you will do, 90 degree is the sum, divide in two equal parts, so each one is 45 degree. Supplementary angles, suppose the one angle is given you 60 degree, how can you find out the supplement of 60 degree? You have to subtract given angle from 180 degree, you will get the supplement of that angle. That means 180 minus 60, it will come 120 degree. So this way you can find out complement and supplement. Third type of angle which we will do is linear pair. Third we have linear pair. What is the meaning? As it is clear from the name, line, and you know that a straight line is have measure of 180 degree. So third is linear pair. Right, as I am saying, it is clear from the name linear. Linear means it is a line, and line has measure of 180 degree. So two angles which are making a line, two angles which are making a straight line or a line, and it is making a straight line, so 180 hai, and measuring 180 degree make a linear pair. And linear pair is like this angle, okay, this way, and it is suppose P, Q, R and S. Suppose this is 70 degree and this is 110 degree. Here angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 70 degree plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. They are linear pair because they are combining making a straight line, and straight line measures 180 degree. So they are linear pair. Number 4 is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, and these kind of angles are formed when two lines intersect each other. When two lines intersect each other, suppose I have a line this L and another line this M. L and M are crossing each other at a point O, and if I name them, this line A, B and this line C, D, so four angles are formed when two lines cross each other at a point. Four angles are formed. We can name them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I write them 1, 2, 3, 4, then angle AOC equal to angle BOD, and similarly angle BOC equal to angle AOD, or you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. We have a proof for this also, but here I am just telling you that they are 1 and 3, they are opposite angles, vertically opposite angles, and they are equal in measure. Similarly, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles and they are equal in measure. These two and these two pairs of vertical opposite angles, here we have 1 and 3, they are opposite to each other and they are same in measure. 2 and 4, they are opposite to each other and their measure is also same. So they are vertically opposite angle. Last type of angles which we will do in this topic are adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles that we will do? Adjacent angles, as it is clear from the name, they are adjacent to each other. And what are the properties? Adjacent angles. First, we draw a figure, and adjacent angle are these kind of angles. Like I have this angle P, Q, R, and suppose a ray is there which is S, QS. QS is a ray between them. Then two angles are formed here, two small angles are formed here, this one and this one. PQS and SQR. These two angles are adjacent angles. Here, according to figure, angle PQS and angle SQR are adjacent angles. And what is the definition? For adjacent angles, three properties should be there. Two angles can be adjacent if number one, what is the first property? Number one, they have a common arm. Two angles have a common arm, and here the common arm is QS. Number two, they have a common vertex. Two angles have a common vertex, and which is the common vertex here? Q. Q is the common vertex in PQS and SQR. Q is the common vertex. Common arm is QS. And number three is uncommon arms. Here the uncommon arm is PQ and another uncommon arm for the other angle is QR. Uncommon arms which are not common, common arm is QS. So uncommon arms should be on the either side of the common arm. These are the three conditions. If two angles satisfy these three conditions, then they are said adjacent angles. I am explaining you once again. Two angles have a common arm. Here two angles, if you write angle PQR and angle SQR, are they adjacent? Are these adjacent? Then our answer is no. Why? Because angle PQR and angle SQR, the common arm is QR, which is not between them. It is on one side and the uncommon arms on the same side. They should be on the either side, one this side, one this side. So they are not adjacent. This I have one discussed with you, and this way you can check whether the angles are adjacent or not. Okay, thank you students. You like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Your doubts are welcome. I will try to solve them. Thank you. Bye.